are those drums?
They're the drums of death.
The drums of death? What do you mean, Natcha?
Someone's being tortured by the natives.
Let's hurry and find out who it is. Right you are. Come on.
Hear me, Butterfield? If Manus dies, I'll destroy your entire tribe.
Well, so we have company, eh? You cowardly renegade. Why did you have your black tack on? You're lucky you're not in the same spot as the old scientist.
What do you mean? What has happened to him?
He's the guest of honor at a little ceremonial offering. But don't let that bother you. Let's drink to his health.
Turn on switch 31.
Yes, master. Quick, Jerry! I'm trying while I hold this weight! Hurry, Jerry, it's heavy! I got it, Jerry! Help him out there! Get it!
Oh, dear.
Wow, that was a close shave. I'll take him, Natcha. Come on. Hi, Doctor.
Hugo, come!
You all right? Take it easy, Doctor. Everything will be all right now. Take it easy now. Take it easy. That's it. Take it easy now.
Take me away! Take me away! That's the man who ordered the natives to torture me.
Is this true?
What if it is?
Butterfield, if you've caused this man suffering, you're going to pay.
Well, he tortured my natives, didn't he?
My father was not to blame for that. He was under the power of Zolak.
That's the truth, Butterfield. Ask them. They know. They were in the lost city.
Oh,
Come on, Doctor.
Father.
Butterfield, this man has got to have immediate attention.
All right. Take him to my quarters.
Come on, Doctor.
You're all right, Father, dear.
Here, Doctor. Let me get.
You want to take
right.
him?
That's right.
All right.
I tell you, Reynolds, Butterfield's a dangerous man.
I know it.
We must be careful what we say.
All right.
Listen here, Butterfield.
Sit down. I want to have a little chat with you. So you were in the Lost City. What do you know about it?
Nothing.
Didn't you see them making their giants?
No. We weren't there long enough.
You're lucky. Show these men to the quarters next to mine. You'll be comfortable there.
Thanks.
Wait a minute. Are you sure you know nothing about the Lost City?
Absolutely.
Of course you're right, my boy.
Look, Bruce, it just fits.
Africa isn't so far away after all.
Where did you get that?
Oh, in the other room in there.
Well, it just fits.
Yes.
Are you sure, Doctor, that Reynolds and Colton forced you to leave the Lost City?
Yes, these men are not to be trusted.
Yeah, let me tell you that Butterfield isn't our only enemy.
Bruce, we must get away.
Don't worry, Natcha. Come on, Jerry.
What are you going to do?
I'm going to talk to Reynolds and Colton. I'll be right back.
We've got to get Manius away from here before Butterfield learns that he can restore the mental powers of those giants. Look, there goes Gordon toward the trading post. Wonder if Manius told him how we forced him to leave the Lost City.
We'll have to convince Gordon that the old man's out of his mind.
We'll have to work fast. I tell you, I heard the old man say he could not only restore the minds of these living dead men, but he could make giants with full mental power. With a regiment of men like that, Africa is mine.
Well, how's the old doctor?
He's getting a little better.
That's fine.
Can you tell me what hut I can find Professor Reynolds and Dr. Colton?
Oh, yeah. They're over there.
Thanks. Come on, Jerry.
Say, what's the idea of fooling those guys? Colton's in that hut over there.
You're so dumb.
I get you.
Up right there.
Watch him, Jerry.
Up right there. You... Get him, Bruce!
Well, that's that.
But how about Colton and Reynolds?
I'll take care of them.
I've got it. You fix it with the natives, and I'll get the girl out of the way.
You know, Andrews, if I can get into the Lost City and get Zolak out of the way,
And then what?
I'll bring the old man back with me, and I'll make all the giants I need.
That's right. You could.
Yeah. That's just what I'll do.
Well, Zolak ordered me to report to you. He said you would find use for this paralyzing gun. Be careful. It is very dangerous. Stand by. I'll go to the village and get Manius.
I'm so sorry, Dad. But it's much better than being with Zolak, isn't it?
Bruce wants to see you.
But where is he?
He's at the trading post, preparing to leave.
But Father...
Oh, I'll stay here with him.
Why, I'm all right. You better go.
Well, I won't be long.
You stay here. Bruce, I got an idea.
roll open. I think I can make it. Come on. All right. Here. As far as I can roll, Jerry. Now.
You know the trail, Pungo?
Yep. Come on up.
All right, get going.
Pungo! Pungo!
Is Mr. Gordon here?
No.
Professor Reynolds said he was waiting here to see me.
Well, he's not here.
Well, that's strange. I don't understand, Miss...
Chet, those birds are up to something. Come on.
Phew. And they call this Africa, huh? What a spot. Wait a minute. What's this one?
You making any headway there, Jerry?
Just a minute.
That Butterfield's supposed to be a white man.
Whitely. Our guy's just yellow. Gone native, I saw.
Yeah.
What happened?
Colton. The natives took my news. Yeah.
Get the natives. Tell them to pick up my trail, all right?
Oh.
Well, if you get that other one, Jerry, well, yeah, maybe I can help you.
Hold it up. That's good. Boy. Here.
I'll get over there.
Mr. Butterfield! Mr. Butterfield!
You stay here.
No.
Well, I can't get that last knot out.
You hit Butterfield Trail. All right.
Oh, Bruce. Reynolds is dead.
What? Who killed him?
Colton. Oh, and Father's gone, too.
Then Colton's got your father. Come on.
No, you don't.
Go ahead, Bruce. I'll take care of this. Speech, Coleman.
You bloody...
Hugo, help!
They lead this way. Come on.
Where's your father?
I don't know.
You remember when you're in the Lost City?